So in this video, we're going to show you how to decorate a square cake. I had a client who really wanted a square cake because she always finds it easier to cut these cakes and serve these cakes. So we started out with baking the square cake in a 14-inch tin. The flavor we're working with is a chocolate buttercream. So I had the chocolate buttercream ready beforehand. You start on by filling the cake the normal way that you would with any cake. Make sure that between each layer you add a lot of moisture, so you have enough sugar syrup added on to the cake so that your cake is nice and moist, because you don't want a dry cake. I prefer using a paintbrush for this, so that's how I work with it. Once I have the cake fully nice and moist, I go ahead and put in my filling. I stack the cake the same way I would with any regular cake, but the key is to get your sharp edges in this. So you want to spread your buttercream all across the cake really nicely with the offset, and then when you do the sides again, use a little more buttercream than you would normally, because you want the crumb coat to be nice all through. You can always take off any excess with a scraper. It's really important to get all the edges in so that you're not leaving any space for the cake crumbs to come throughout into the cake. Once you have it fully coated, you use your scraper and keep scraping the sides and the edges until it's a nice and even finish that you've achieved for the cake. Once the cake is crumb coated nicely, you want to set this in the freezer for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You want your buttercream to stiffen up a little bit, and you want the cake to be chilled so that it'll help you get that beautiful smooth finish that you're looking for in the square cake, with the edges being really crisp and nice. So once the cake had been chilled, I went ahead again and added another coat of buttercream on top and did my final coat. You can always add more buttercream and take off the extra, so don't be afraid of doing this. Make sure you're adding enough around all the corners, especially on the edges, so that when you scrape off, you're able to get that beautiful sharp edge that you're looking for in a square cake. If you like such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also tell us in the comments what you feel and what else do you want to learn in these videos from us. So once I have my cake entirely coated, I'm just going to use my scraper and keep going across until I have a nice and even finish. The key is to add just enough pressure so that you're scraping off all the excess but still getting those nice beautiful edges. Keep doing this a couple of times until all of it is nice and clean, and then you can go ahead and clear the top and add in a nice border to give the beautiful finish to the cake. Once the cake is fully ready, you can go ahead and add a border. I just went and did a simple frame border for this to make it look pretty and aesthetic at the same time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos, and hope you enjoyed this one.